What's going on? We're back. Another snack attack. It is a no-bake, raw vegan brownies. So you're gonna need 1 cup of dates, 1 cup of nuts. I actually used half of cup of walnuts and half of cup of almonds. 6 tablespoons of cacao powder, chia seeds, 1 tablespoon. 4 ingredients once again, and a food processor. Let's go. So first we're gonna start with that 1 cup of nuts. Then add in your cacao powder. Then add in the chia seeds. Once we put that all together, just turn it on. We're gonna add in that 1 cup of dates. And once again, till it starts coming into basically a ball together. All right, so you can see that ball-like texture. I'm gonna pull everything out of here and then gonna get a 8x8 pan lined with parchment paper. Take this out. You kind of form it into a ball, and if it's not sticky enough, just add in 1 or 2 more dates at a time. Look at that. I'm going to press it down so I can really get it down. Basically want to try to square this up. Taking the spatula just to kind of square up the edges. No one said this is a perfect brownie. But if you guys know of a better way than how I'm doing this, please comment below. Let me know. Look at that. Gonna have to put this into the fridge for a couple of hours to let it harden up nicely. Shape it up however you want. You can even make balls with it. You can make the mini energy balls, as they like to say. So I'm gonna pop this into the fridge. So we want to finish this off with a nice, like a chocolatey topping. So I have 2 tablespoons of the cacao powder, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil melted and let it cool down, and 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. All right, grab your whisk and just keep whisking away. Let it all combine nicely. Basically, we want a nice glaze to it. You can see that glaze coloring. Now we want to put this into the fridge so we can let it harden for about 15 to 20 minutes. All right, there's that ganache. Again, 5 minutes, less than 10, because you want it to be like whippable and workable. Woohoo, look at this. Woo. Take this and just dollop it on. Just spread it out. Now I'm going to take some chopped walnuts, just sprinkle it on top for a nice walnut brownie. Look at that. Now we're going to pop this back into the fridge again for another 5 to 10 minutes so this all hardens up nicely, because these are very wholesome. You really don't want a lot. Look at the way that cuts up. Oh, nice and sticky. And the nuts on top is just a nice extra touch. All right. I would let Margarita be the first one to taste it because she loves chocolate and she loves brownies. She doesn't want to be on camera because she's in PJs like she's been all day. COVID-19 has got us locked down. Oh my goodness. Sorry, it's not nice to talk with my mouth full. I'll be back. You can make a lot bigger portions when you do this, and then again freeze majority of it. I'm gonna stop talking because I want to eat another piece. So hope you like this recipe. Another quick and easy 4 ingredient. The topping, you don't have to do it. It's just a nice added addition, but then you're looking at more calories. Nothing else to say. I'm gonna eat. Catch you all in the next one.